Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabby. I am a mum to 5 boys and today I'm doing a charity shop haul. I haven't done one of these before, which is crazy because I'm in there all the time. Me and my mum, we have particular charity shops that we absolutely love to go in, and I thought, why not share them with you? So see what you think. This one in particular is extremely cheap and it's full of so much good stuff. So I'm going to share it with you. I've got quite a few bits here. Some of them I'm really shocked at how cheap they are, but I'm going to try them all on at the end and yeah, let me know what you think. But I'm just going to start with whatever I can grab out of this bag. Okay, I've got a white limited edition. It's in a size 12, but I really like that this is quite big and loose fitting. I got this like a blouse shirt and I thought that would be really nice either tucked into some jeans or with like a brown belt around it high up on the waist, and this was only £1.50 and it's absolutely immaculate. It's completely intact, nothing on it, no marks, no stains, feels really nice, so I'm loving that. This was actually brand new from George Asda. It's a size 8. It was originally £16. I got it for £2. So really amazing. It's a little blazer. It's got pockets that you can actually put your hands in. Not like when you go into Primark and you get a blazer and you can't put your hands in at all. It's so frustrating. So yeah, this is brand new. Feels really nice. Loving this stripe look, as I'm wearing stripes today. Bit of a clash, but I thought for £2 I couldn't leave that behind. So that's really nice, and it's new. Jumpers is why I went in. I love jumpers, and we're at a time now where the jumpers are coming out and the summer stuff's being put away. This one I loved as soon as I saw it. It just looks so comfortable. It's originally from Primark. It's a size 10 and it was £1.50. It's a long cream, really soft jumper, and it's got these really soft elbow pads to them. And I thought, that is just my heaven. This is perfect. I can see me teaming this up with either my skinny jeans or my leggings with my wellies, and me and Chase going up the downs. Comfort. Really loving that. I found a pair of shoes actually. These were £2. There is something about them I'm going to change though, because I'm not overly keen on the lace. I'm changing the laces. These were £2, but look at the bottom of them. They just look barely even, if even. So good. All the shoes are £1 in this charity shop, all of them, and all the boots are £2. And I really liked those. I thought they were really cute. They're comfortable. I like a heel, but I don't like a heel that I can't walk in. There's just no point. What's the point in wearing a heel when you're going to be wobbling around all over the place? It's just not pleasant. I've never liked it, but I like to have a heel, so that's probably my limit. That is my limit on a heel. It's a nice rubber base, so it's going to be comfortable. These are Fiore. I don't know where that's from. It's fake leather, but I thought they were really nice. So I'm definitely going to be changing the laces. I'm going to get probably this sort of colour on the lace because I don't like it. It's like a grey green. So I'll change that. Bargain. Another stripy number is this long, just a plain, not plain, it's striped, but just a basic long sleeve top. This was £1.50 and it's originally from South, which I think is catalogue, isn't it? But yeah, really liked that. That's comfy. I can't really explain a lot until I try it on, really. And a dress. This dress I fell in love with. It's from H&M. It was £2, size 8, and as soon as I saw it, I grabbed it because it just looks so nice. It's a spotty V-neck dress, and I'm thinking, funny position that I'm in right now, I'm thinking some tights, some little ankle boots, a little jacket, probably my leather one, and that is a look I love for the autumn, so I'm really, really pleased with that. I grabbed these for my little boy because when I was in his class the other day, I was meeting his teacher. He was obsessed with the Where's Wally books, and I remember them when I was little. I used to love the Where's Wally. So he was there and he was like, can we just stay and read these books? Can we stay and look for Wally? And I was like, but we've got to go. So sure enough, in the charity shop today, 20p each, I found 3, and they're the ones he has in school, big Where's Wally books, and they're perfectly intact, nothing wrong with them whatsoever. So he's got those when he comes out of school, which he'll be extremely happy about. Although I'm probably going to have battles because usually when I buy for one, they're all like, what about me? I can't always find something for everyone, so they'll just have to share. My last thing is a wine rack, which I wanted. I've been looking online for a wine rack and quite particular about which one I wanted. In the end, my idea in my head was to get one like this. And you know, the basic ones are about £10. And you don't really want to go for the basic because you know they're not going to be that great in quality. So I was looking around sort of £25, £30. This one, really solid. In there today. You can have it that way or that way. £1.50. I saw it and I was like, I'm taking you home. I need you. I got quite a few bottles of wine to fix onto this, and yeah, it's going to look really nice in the kitchen. It's going to go with everything that I've got going on in there, so I'm really, really pleased. That is a bargain. So that's what I got in there today, and in total it came to £11.60, I think. I think it was £11. Yeah, it was £11.60 for everything. And, or was it 12? I can't remember, it was 12 or £11.60. And I think I've got some really, really good stuff here. Really, really good. So I'm going to try them all on now, and then I'm going to get them in the washing machine. So let me know what you think below. Thank you so, so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all again in my next one. So let's go trying on some clothes. Right. Lighting isn't great, but this is the only place I have right now. This, I love this. I really love this. I love the neckline. The neckline is perfect. I'm loving the bits on here. The fit is really nice. If I can move back so you can see how long it is. I'm far away. I really, really like this. Oh, I'm happy already. For £1.50. It's absolutely insane. It feels really, really comfortable. It's not itchy. It's soft. Okay, this one's a winner for me. This one's a winner. I'm liking this, and I'm loving the length. It's all about coming down. With summer, it's up, and winter, it's down. So, really, really happy with that. For £1.50. That's another £1.50 one. Let's try this one on. No, I like that. I like the fact that it's not too low, but it's not too high, and it's not revealing. Like, I'm not gonna reveal my nothings to the world. And lengthwise, it's another good length. Yes, I like that. What do you think? Do you think, or do I look too thin in it? I'm very funny with stripes. I love stripes, but sometimes it can make me look a bit thinner than what I am. If that makes any sense. I don't think you can get much thinner. What do you think? I quite like it. I like it. I'm comfortable in it. Minus the too many cheese and onion rolls on the way home. Yeah, I'm happy. This one I was looking forward to trying on. This one I love. The quality feels amazing. I can't remember where it said it was from. Limited edition. Oh, it's Marks and Spencer's. Well, there you go. They do some nice stuff. That's unusual. It's got spare buttons in between. I really love this. The fact that it's a size 12 as well, so it's too big. But I really like that. I like that loose. I see I could tuck it in. Tuck it into my jeans. Or wear it with some like skinny fit trousers and have a brown belt going through and have it long. So I tucked it in. It's quite nice. Or if I have it out, I could put a belt around here. Like that. I really like this. Yeah, this one I'm definitely happy with. Oh, I just love charity shops. You just get such bargains. Oh, I love my bargains. Right, blazer time. I like it, I just don't know. It's one of them, does it suit me? I don't know. I absolutely love it, and I look at it and I'm like, I want to wear that, and then I put it on, I'm like, It's really comfortable. This was only £2, brand new. And it's really, really soft and comfortable. I don't know about this one. I love it, I just don't know if I love it on me. I don't know, but I'm keeping it. I don't know, maybe this underneath. What's that noise? Wow, what was that? Sounds like something's being dragged up the road. Maybe with this underneath. This is not really doing it justice, is it? Maybe with the shirt underneath. I don't know, I'm keeping it, I like it, but it's just not, it's more wow on the hanger than it is wow on me. That's how I feel, but it's a keeper. Really unsure about the dress. I don't know. I do really like it. It's extremely comfortable. This is the H&M one. I love the length. I need to move back for you to see. I've had to keep my vest on underneath because if I have it down, it's just too revealing for me, and I'm not that kind of, I don't like things on display. I really like it, but at the same time I'm not sure. It's a bit like the blazer. Oh, what do you think? I'm going to move back so you can see the length of it. Move back. I know it's hard to tell because I'm so far away. I do like it. I feel very 40s, and I love the 40s. 40s and 50s I love. So I do feel a bit like that, and I do like that. But let me know what you think, because I'm feeling a bit conscious with this one. I like it. I feel like if I had a bit more boob, maybe. Just saying, maybe if I had a bit more boob. You know, being so flat-chested. Sometimes dresses like this don't quite... When you get that shape, I feel like there's a bit of a shape here that should hold a bosom. And unfortunately, this woman doesn't have that. Oh, I really like it, but let's see these boots. Liking the boots. They're noisier than I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to be quite rubbery. The front is, but the back's not. But yeah, not with this dress, obviously, but with some skinny jeans or whatever. I don't know if you can hear me down there. What are you doing down there? But I like these. I really like these. So, happy. Yeah, excuse my my cut there. Looks a bit nasty. Oh! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I need to mop my floor. Goodbye.